Hello students, myself Hardik Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's session, we are going to learn the line integral, work done and the circulation. Okay, first of all, what is the line integration? If you have any vector function f bar or r bar, be a vector field defined at every point of a curve C, and if r bar is a position vector then the line integral of f bar of r bar over a curve C is called the line integral. Okay, and is defined as integration over C f dot dr, f bar dot dr. Okay, please remember that here it is dot. So integration f bar is, suppose you are f1i, f2j, f3k, and dr r bar is our standard position vector xi plus yj plus zk. So f dot dr is going to be f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Now here you have to reduce this in either of the variable, either in the form of x or in the form of y or in the form of z or all in the form of p, and you have to put the limits. Okay. Now first thing we are defining the circulation. If a vector field f bar is the velocity of a fluid particle and c is a closed curve, then the line integration over closed curve f bar of r bar dot dr bar represents the circulation of f bar around the curve. Okay, this will give you the circulation. Closed curve. Closed curve, that means if you have any closed curve like this, then and f bar is a fluid flow, then you are integrating over whole closed curve, then it is called the circulation. Now the work done. If f bar is a vector field, okay, acting on a particle move along the arc or the curve AB on a curve C, then the line integration CF dot dr represent the work done in displacing the particle from point A to point B. That means, suppose this is any curve and this point is A, this point is B, and F bar is the force field applying on it. Okay, then whatever the work you have, that means from this point to this point, if you are displacing your point, then for that whatever the force is, that is F bar, and whatever the displacement we have, it is A to B displacement we have taken, and the work done by this force field over this displacement is given by F dot D. Now, path dependent and independent line integral. First, we are defining the path independent line integral. If the vector field f bar is conservative, then the line integration along curve C from point A to B is integration A to B f bar r bar dr bar phi b minus phi a. Now see, f bar is conservative. F bar is conservative, that means you have curl of f bar is 0, and that means you have a field f bar is equal to grade phi. You can find the scalar potential. Now f bar is equal to grade phi, so here we are going to use f bar is equal to grade phi, so f dot dr, that will be a del x by, del f by del x into dx. Now this is f1. Same manner, plus del f2 by del y into dy plus del f3 by del z into dz, f dot dr, correct? But we are not writing it in this form. Now instead of this, I am going to use the grade phi. So curl of f bar is 0, so f bar is equal to grade phi. Now you are aware of that f dot dr is nothing but f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Now, but if you are writing f bar is equal to grade phi, then f1 is del phi by del x into dx. Same manner, this is del phi by del y into dy. This is del phi by del z into dz. And if you are going to consider this, then by total definition derivative, this is going to be a d phi. Okay, d phi. So if you are writing it here, so then you will get this is equal to integration from a to b d phi. Now phi has a d phi has an integration phi. So you are going to substitute the upper point limit and the lower limit. That will give the answer. If that means the line integration depends only on the starting and the end point if this force field is a conservative field. Hence, conservative field, vector field, the line in for conservative vector field, line integration is not depending on a path. It is only depending on the endpoint. Now, note, if f bar is conservative and C is a closed curve, then f bar dr is equal to phi b minus phi a. But closed curve, that means starting and end points are same. So a is equal to b, and that will give the answer 0. Done? Then, second one, work done in a moving particle from the point A to point B under the conservative force field is given by phi b minus phi a. Why? Because again same thing, your field is conservative, so integration f dot dr gives you the work done, and work done is given by phi b minus phi a, because if you are going from point A to B. Same manner, the line integration f dot dr is independent of path C if the curl of f bar is 0. That we have already discussed, as it is conservative. Done. Now, fundamental theorem of line integrals. Now, suppose you have f bar is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3j is any vector field whose components are continuous throughout one open connected region D. That means you have any region in 3 dimension, it is not in 2 dimension, and f1, f2, f3 are connected continuous on this open domain. Okay, then there exists a differentiable function phi such that f bar is equal to grade phi, and that will give you del phi by del xi, del phi by del yj, del phi by del zk, if and only if all the points A and B are in a domain D. That means your integration is going to be a path independent integral, and it is going to be integration a to b f bar dr, okay, f bar dot dr, and it is going to be depending on only endpoints. Done. Now first we are starting with the example. If f bar is this, then evaluate the line integration f dot dr, where c is the arc of the parabola. Now you are starting with a solution. We have the parabola y is equal to 2x square. So we have something curve like this, passing through point 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and this curve is y is equal to 2x square. Now, fy is 3xyi minus y square j, and therefore f dot dr is equal to 3xyi minus y square j into dxi plus dyj, and that will give you 3xy dx minus y square dy. But you have given the curve equation. That curve is parabola, y is equal to 2x square. and therefore dy is equal to 4x dx. So put it here, and that will give you f dot dr is equal to 3x, y is equal to 2x square into dx. Y is equal to 2x square the whole square into dy is 4x dx. So this is going to be a 3, 2 is a 6x cube dx minus 2, 2 is a 4, 4, 4 is a 16, x square the whole square, that is x raised to 4 into x, that will be x raised to 5 into dx. Okay, and if you are going to put these values, if you are going to put these values in closed integration, it is not a closed integration, this is a open integration, sorry, it is not a closed integration cf dot dr, and that will be an integration from point O to A 6x cube minus 16x raised to 5 into dx. I have common out the dx. So integration of x cube will be x raised to 4 by 4 and x raised to 5 is x raised to 6 by 6, and limit is from now. Okay, so first I am going to write the limits, sorry. So limits, if you have reduced all the things in the form of x, then we are going to put the limit of x. Now x is varying from 0 to 1, 0 to 1, because x is going from 0 to x is equal to 1, and 6x cube minus 16x is to 5 dx. Okay, so if you are going to integrate this, then you will get 6x raised to 4 upon 4 minus 16x raised to 6 upon 6. Limit is from 0 to 1. So first put 1 and simplify, that will give 3 by 2 minus 8 by 3. Taking LCM, 3 2 is a 6, 9 minus 16, so it will be a minus 7 by 6. And this is the answer. Okay. Same manner, second example, find the circulation of the field F bar is equal to x minus y I yj zk around the curve R bar is equal to cos t I plus sin t j, limit is from 0 to 2 pi. Now if you are starting with a solution, first one, then F bar is x minus y I plus yj plus zk. Okay, so and dr is our dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So f dot dr, that is x minus y dx plus y dy plus z dz. Now what you will have is r bar is given. R bar is given, that means the value of r bar is equal to cos ti plus sin tj, and that implies x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t, and z is equal to 0. So dx will be minus sin t dt, dy will be cos t dt, and dz will be 0. And therefore integration circulation is a closed curve f dot dr, that will be a integration from 0 to 2 pi, because limits of t, if you are going to rotate the angle, then it will be a whole circle, and you are starting with 0 ending to 2 pi. So we are going to substitute all values here in a form of t. So x is cos t, y is sin t, dx is minus sin t dt, plus y is sin t, dy is cos t dt, and dz is 0, so the last term is already 0. Now integration 0 to 2 pi minus sin t cos t plus sin square t plus sin t cos t dt. So sin t cos t will be cancelled out, and to integrate sin square we are replacing it with 1 minus cos 2t by 2. So if you are writing the integration, then it will going to be a 1 by 2 constant, 1 as the integration t, cos 2t as the integration sin 2t upon 2. Limit is from 0 to 2 pi. So 1 upon 2 into 2 pi, sin 4 pi is 0, minus if you are going to put 0, then 0 and sin 0 is 0. And that will give you 2 pi by 2 is pi. That means this is the answer. Okay. Now, third example. Work done by the force field F bar is equal to this along the straight line from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 0. Now, if you are starting with the formula of work done, then first you require F dot dr. So, F bar is equal to 3x square minus 3x I plus 3z j plus k, and dr is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Okay. So F dot dr, that is 3x square minus 3x dx plus 3z dy plus dz. Now you have given the equation of a straight line. R bar is equal to Ti plus Tj plus Tk. That implies x is equal to t, y is equal to t, z is equal to t, and that will give you dx is equal to dt, dy is equal to dt, and dz is equal to dt. So your f dot dr, that will going to be a 3t square minus 3t dt plus 3t dt plus dt. So if you are going to simplify, then 3t square minus 3t plus 3t will be cancelled out. So 3t square plus 1 dt. And therefore your work done is equal to integration from point A to B. Now your point is 0 to 1 because you are writing in the form of t. Then it will be f dot dr. Okay? Or you can say that point A to point B is equal to integration from 0 to 1 3t square plus 1 dt. So integration will be t cube plus t, and the answer will be 1 plus 1. Okay? Same manner, suppose find the work done by the particle F bar is equal to this in a moving particle in xy plane. Okay? Okay, same manner. The next example is F bar is this with, and the particle moves up in xy plane from point 1 0 0 to 1 1 along the parabola this. So I am now directly going to write f dot dr. That will be x square minus y square plus x into dx minus 2xy plus y into dy. When the z term is not there, so 0 into dz. Okay, but what you will have is x is equal to y square, and therefore dx is equal to 2y dy. Now, so instead of what we are going to do, integration from a to b, f dot dr is integration from Here I am going to replace x by y square. So y square the whole square is y raised to 4 minus y square plus y square dx is equal to 2y dy minus here x is equal to y square, so you have to 2y cube plus y dy. And since all the terms we have written in the form of y, so limit of y will be there. So y here varies from 0 to 1. So if you are going to check, then the value of y is from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. And that will give you integration 0 to 1 y square cancel out 2y into y raised to 4, that is 2y raised to 5 minus 2y cube minus y into dy. So integrating, that will give you y raised to 6 upon 3 minus y raised to 4 upon 2 minus y square upon 2, and limit is from 0 to 1. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 minus 1, that is minus 2 by 10. And this one is answer. Okay. Now, f bar is given by this, then show that f dot dr is independent of path, and hence find the integral where c is any path joining these two points. So first of all, if you are starting with a solution, then f bar is 2xy plus z square I plus x square j plus 3xz square k. Now first, for path independent, you have to show that f bar is conservative. And f bar is conservative, that means we are going to find the curve. So I, j, k, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, 2xy plus z cube, x square, 3xz square. Okay, and that will give I into derivative with respect to y 0 minus derivative with respect to z 0. Same as the derivative with respect to x 3z square minus derivative with respect to z 3z square plus k into derivative with respect to x 2x minus derivative with respect to y, that will be again 2x. So you will have 0i plus 0j plus 0k, and therefore f bar is conservative, and therefore line integral is independent of path. Done? Now we are going to find, now since it is independent of path, so you have f bar is equal to grade phi, and we have to find the scalar potential phi. So that will give you 2xy plus z cube I plus x square j plus 3xz square k is equal to del phi by del x into I plus del phi by del y into j plus del phi by del z into k, and that implies del phi by del x is equal to 2xy plus z cube del phi by del y is equal to x square, and del phi by del z is equal to 3xz square. So integrating with respect to x, here integrating with respect to y, and here integrating with respect to z. So here you have phi is equal to integration with respect to x, that will be a x square y plus xz cube plus some function of yz. Same manner, integrating with respect to y, that will be a x square y plus some function of xz. And here you are integrating with respect to z, so you will have xz cube plus some function of xy. So using these three, we are going to combine the function, and that will give you x square y plus xz cube plus c. Okay. Now basically here we are going to find the finite integral. So it is not necessary to write c, but I am going to write it here. Now you have to find out the integration f dot dr from the point 1 minus 2 1 to 3 1 4. Correct? But you have f bar is equal to grade phi dot dr, and from 1 minus 2 1 to 3 1 4. But grade phi dot dr is nothing but it is a d phi which we have defined. Okay. So d phi has an integration phi of x y z, and limit is from 1 minus 2 1 to 3 1 4. And if you are going to put the value, then you will have phi of 3 1 4 minus phi of 1 minus 2 1. Correct? Now your function you get phi is equal to x square y plus xz cube. This function we have obtained, correct? Plus c. So put the value of x, y and z here. X is 3, 3 is a 9 into 1, that will be a 9, plus 3 into 4 cube, 4 cube is 64 into 3, okay. So 192 plus c minus, now we are going to put the lower limit, 1 minus 2 1, 1 into minus 2, that will be a minus 2, and 1 into 1, that will be a 1 plus c. So you will get 201 plus c minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 minus minus plus 1 minus c. C will be cancelled out and the answer will be 2. Okay. So these are the topics which we have covered in circulation, work done and the line integration. So if you have any doubt or any query regarding these topics, then please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much.